you want to simulate a Windows operating system like this one, then keep watching this video and don't go anywhere. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to Next Gen Technology. Today we're going to show you how to simulate a Windows operating system in your Android. So first of all, we need two things. One is Limbo PC Emulator app and another one is a Windows image file. So I already have installed Limbo PC Emulator app from Google Play Store, and you're going to find the app there too. And I already have downloaded the Windows is here it is. It's Windows 95 and we're going to simulate it now. So we're going to open it and you will have to do what will I now do. So first of all, we create a new machine and named it Windows 95. Done. Create. Then we're going to change the architecture to 64-bit and CPU model to QEMU64, and we're going to increase the RAM. So it's based on your Android RAM, so we're going to minimum it to 440. Since it's Windows 95, so it doesn't affect so much. And here we're going to click on this and open the Windows image file. Here it is. Then we're going to click this and click on hard disk. Don't forget to paste this one to full screen and high priority. Okay. Now let's start the machine. And this is how you will open your Windows operating system in Android. Sorry, here I'm going to click on 3 and enter. So here we have simulated our Windows 95 in Android, and this is how you are going to simulate any Windows operating system in your Android device. It's loading since it's Windows 95, the lowest version of Windows. We have to wait a little more. Yes, I know we have done it in sleep mode. It's okay. It sometimes happens. As you can see, here's the menu bar, here's the recycle bin, and the upper one is my computer. So I'm going to show it now. Here's the menu. I clicked on it. Here I clicked on documents, and I'm going to click on click on programs, then click on the Windows Explorer. Now I am into my computer. Well, I am going to my computer. Here it is. I'm on drive C now. So this is Windows 95, and this is how you simulate any Windows operating system in your Android. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, then please click on the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.